I made my first $50 online using only free AI tools, and it took me less than 24 hours. Before that, I was drowning. It was due, my 9 to 5 wasn't cutting it, and every Make Money Online video wanted me to buy a $997 course first. I was done with that. So I made a rule. I would only use tools that were completely free, no trials, no credit card required, and what I found genuinely changed my financial situation. This right here, real money, real payments. Not thousands of dollars, but real. And it started with zero investment. I'm going to show you exactly how. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to walk you through 4 free AI side hustles that actually paid me, with live demos, real numbers, and zero fluff. Let's get into it. One thing before we start, information without action is worthless, so pick one method from this video and try it this week. Cool? Let's go. Here are the 4 side hustles: AI writing with ChatGPT, design services with Canva AI, selling digital templates, media management. Stick around for hustle number 4. It's the one that most money, and it's the one almost nobody talks about. Hustle number 1, freelance writing using ChatGPT free. Here's why this works so well in the US. Watch this. I type one prompt, and in 10 seconds, I've got a polished, professional LinkedIn post. A freelance copywriter in the US charges $50 to $150 for exactly this. I took something like this to a real estate agent in my area, offered to write their weekly LinkedIn post for $40 a week. They said yes within an hour. That's $160 a month from one client, 1 hour of work per week. Here's exactly how to do this. Check the below steps. Real quick, if you're finding this helpful, go ahead and subscribe. Hustle number 2, design services using Canva AI. Watch. I open Canva free, find a coffee shop Instagram template, swap in their logo and brand colors, done in under 60 seconds. A freelance graphic designer in the US charges $50 to $200 for this exact deliverable. Here's my exact strategy for finding clients. I open Google Maps, search for coffee shops, gyms, salons, and check their Instagram. If their page looks weak, that's your opportunity. DM them something like, "Hey, I love your place. I made a few sample posts for your Instagram. Would you want to see them?" Simple, human, no hard sell. Hustle number 3, selling digital templates using gamma.app. You make something once, list it, and it sells while you sleep. Watch this. One sentence, and Gamma builds me a complete professional 8-slide pitch deck. Design, layout, animations, all done automatically. I didn't touch a single design element. I export this, list it on Gumroad, completely free to use, and price it at $5. Startup founders, MBA students, small business owners, they're all searching for pitch deck templates on Google and Pinterest. You just need to be there when they search.
Hustle number 4, social media management using ChatGPT and Buffer free. This one generates the most consistent monthly income of all 4 hustles. Here's why. I open ChatGPT free and ask it to generate a full month of gym content, 30 captions in 20 seconds, each one different, each one on brand. This would take a human hours. Then I drop everything into Buffer's free plan and schedule the entire month. The client's Instagram posts automatically every day without them lifting a finger. They think you're working constantly. You spent 2 hours on their account this month.
To find US clients fast, search local business hashtags on Instagram. Look for accounts that post inconsistently or have low engagement. Those are your best prospects. Send a DM like, "Hey, I help small businesses grow on Instagram using AI tools. I put together some free sample content for you. Mind if I send it over?" That opener gets responses. Here's what we covered. Drop a comment right now, type "hustle," and tell me which one you're starting with. I read every single comment, and I'll reply with a specific tip to help you land your first client faster.